So first of all, definitely bring rainbows, umbrella, and rain jacket.
Good pair of shoes, just because if you're going to be exploring around Portland or around Lewis and Clark.
Obviously the bare essentials, things like a towel, a shower caddy.
It also is really helpful to have flip-flops that you can use as shower shoes because they're communal showers.
Bring a laundry bag. I would say that's another thing.
One thing that really helped me when I was a freshman was being vaguely okay at cooking and loving to cook. I made more than a few friends by making pasta at midnight a few times.
One thing for me, I love hot drinks, and so a water boiler was probably the best thing I brought. I can make tea and hot chocolate whenever I want in my room, or oatmeal even.
Another great thing, because we don't allow any burnt incense or candles, I have a wax melter that's really amazing.
Another thing I would say is whatever reminds you of home. For me, it's photos.
Posters on the wall if you really like a band or a movie poster would be great.
Command hooks and or blue tape. Both of them are okay by policy to hang on walls, and so they're really helpful when you're trying to hang up a spot for your towels to dry or hanging up lights.
Also bringing like things like a USB, for example, is really helpful, just because I know from experience I've had to transfer files from my computer over to one of the LC computers to print out.
You do get printing balance on campus, so you don't necessarily need a printer, but you definitely need to have a tool to collect all the paper readings.
Definitely bring some school supplies and post-it notes and things to have to keep you on track with your studies.
Have a binder of stuff will be great. Different types of notebook will be great.
Another thing would be to bring an extension cord because there's only so many outlets in the room.
The biggest thing that was important for me in my transition to college, which I was really bad at, so if you're able to do a good job of this, then I think you will be set, is that like deep breath, go with the flow mentality.
Have confidence in yourself, that believe that you're coming to a college that you can finish the college work by yourself.
I think just the willingness to say yes and to explore.
Come with an open mind and a positive attitude and willing to learn.
Get out there, engage other students, engage your professors and other faculty, and just get to know people.